Hi everyone, my name is Hannah and I'm a support specialist with ProSymmetry, and today we'll be talking about Portfolio Planner. Portfolio Planner is an analysis tool to help users prioritize their projects. Users will be able to visualize which projects can be completed in their portfolio based on their resource capacity. Additionally, they can order, include, and exclude their projects based on the name of the project or project attribute. In Tempus, you can report on live or model data. If reporting with model data, the portfolio planner will update in real time when changes are made to the model. See which projects fit under the capacity line and which are above the capacity line, and order projects manually based on the project name or project attribute. Additionally, you can include or exclude projects in the report. If you do not have access to this feature, you will need to reach out to your internal admin. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to Report Management and then click on the Portfolio Planner option here. And from here, you can give your report a name. And you can also select a start and end date. So let's do October till the end of the year. Additionally, you can give it a description if you'd like, and you can also choose whether you want live data or model data. You can also choose if you want to show grid lines within your report, and then you can also choose what granularity you'd like to see it in. So I'm going to choose month. If you're choosing week, you can select ISO week format as well, and then you can also choose hours or FTE. Next step you want to do is hit the Data Series tab and click on New Series. You will then need to choose what data set you would like to see. I'm going to start with allocation. Additionally, you can choose planned, actual, remaining for the type of data you want to see. And then also you can aggregate by project or none as well. Additionally, you can stack by an attribute. So if you want to do it by current phase, you can absolutely do so. And now you'll see that the phases are over here instead of the project names. Additionally, you can click on this project order option here to force in and out the different information. So let's say I don't want to see any of my projects from phase 1. I can say out, and then you'll see that it has been removed from the report. Additionally, you can choose the top that you want to see if you have multiple current phases or project names. And also you can reorder these as well. So if I want to drag and drop, you can see that it changes the ordering. Additionally, you can also drag this down. So if I want to do out and I want to see all of these go out, I can drag that down as well. And then you can also see the total allocation amount here as well. Let me put them all back in so we can see how this looks. Okay, the next thing you can do in here is use project filters or resource filters. And then you can also just choose how you want to display the information as a bar, a line, or area chart. And you can click on the option here to see the different formats you can use. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit save here. Then I'm going to click new series and it automatically chooses base capacity, but you can choose any of the other options as well. You can also choose resource filters if you'd like, but I'm going to make this also a line chart, and you can also update how you'd like to see that. And let's hit save. And you can see that all of my all my project phases are above the base capacity, which means that they are not exceeding the capacity. Additionally, you can go ahead and choose how you want to see the information here. So I can go ahead and update this to see where the different months I want to see as well. Lastly, you can come in here and select different colors that you'd want to see. So if I want to see phase 1 is green, phase 2 is red, empty is gray, I can do that as well. Here you can click on tabular and you'll see the underlying data as a table. And then you can also export this out as an Excel file. So let me go ahead and save this. Here is where you can go back to the ordering screen. Additionally, this is where you can edit the information. For more information about this, please see our Help Center. Thank you and have a great day.